Hey everyone! In this video, we will learn how to deploy a PHP project on Netlify. Netlify does not natively support PHP as it's designed for static sites. Convert your PHP app to static HTML if possible, or use serverless functions. Next, use PHP on the backend via AWS Lambda, then connect it with the Netlify frontend. Then uninstall Netlify CLI using npm install -g netlify-cli on your terminal. Initialize a Netlify site with Netlify in it and link it with your Netlify account. Now add a netlify.toml file to configure redirects or build settings if needed. Next, run netlify deploy to test and netlify deploy --prod to go live. For real PHP support, use a third-party service like Render or Vercel PHP Runtime. Netlify can host the front end, but the backend PHP must be handled elsewhere or via API. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.